Geez, that's bright. Good evening, you two. Let me get that off. There we go. Anyway, it's Privateer Prepper coming to you. How y'all doing on this beautiful Sunday evening? Okay, here's the thing. A lot of y'all know I'm a cab driver. Now, I ordered this off of Amazon, and I'm hoping it's as cool as it looks. It's the Fred light. Of course. Flash. Anyway, let me pause this for a second so I can open it and get back to you. Okay, y'all. Here's the Fred lights. Let me get that turned off. It's good gravy. That's bright. One of the many different ways. What you got to do when you do get them, you flip it over, and on the back here are two screws, and then inside where your batteries are, this is extremely tight, very difficult to get off, but that's because of the waterproof seal around it. But you pull a little tab out, and then you get, ooh, that one too. You get a flasher like that, and then you get a blinker, kind of like that, and then you get this, which is another blinker. I guess that's faster. And then you get the strobe or circle light, whatever, and the ultra bright flashlight thing. You get those three. I think it was like $25 or something, and it comes with, I mean, this is not the greatest quality at all, but comes with a little pouch to keep them in, and you get three of them. And in our group, most of us should know 3 is always the sign of emergency, need help kind of situation. But these are the Fred light. You can get them on Amazon. They were 24 something, maybe 25, somewhere in that range. I can't remember exactly. Yeah, it's Privateer Prepper bringing you the unboxing of the Fred light. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If y'all could hit that thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed and beautiful day.